Boots and super cool exploradora.
Need your help. Grab your backpack.
Let's go, jump in.
Vámonos.
You can lead the way. Hey, hey! Toot-toot-Dora, toot-toot-Dora, toot-toot-Dora. Swiper no swiping, swiper no swiping.
Oh, man!
Dora the Explorer!
Hi, I'm Dora. I'm Boots. Boots and I are looking at the clouds. Do you like to look at the clouds? Me too. Can you find a cloud that looks like a teddy bear? Yeah, I see the teddy bear. Hey, Dora, what kind of cloud is that? That's a storm cloud, Boots. A big storm cloud. A big storm cloud? Rain, 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 here I come! Ha ha! I've got lots of rain, lots of rain! Ha ha! Boots, we have to warn everyone in the forest to get home fast, so the big storm cloud doesn't rain on them and get them wet. We need something we can use to make a very loud noise so we can warn everyone. Will you check my backpack for something that will make a very loud noise? Say backpack.